Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Bitcoin chart. We haven't taken a look at this chart for a while and we have had some nice movements. As you all know, Bitcoin is still leading the crypto market. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here we can click on our cryptocurrencies section. That's what we're going to do. And as you can see, we also updated a lot of other cryptocurrencies. When you register on this website, you get access to all of these updates completely for free. Not only Bitcoin, not only Ethereum, additional coins, yeah, Fetch AI, ADA, and so on. I mean, we talked about them before on this channel, so you are very well informed if you are one of our free subscribers. Now, I want to take a look at the Bitcoin chart today. We click on the longer time frame Bitcoin chart, and this gives us a good overview of where we are. Very important level, and this is the daily chart. Very important level, 65,230. That level really should hold now. That for us, if that level breaks, that's a confirmation that a top is in. You might recall from previous videos that I mentioned that we are close to a long-term top, and we could move higher in the next few weeks, but our perspective is that sort of in the next few, probably next few weeks, I mean, timing is always difficult. It's just sort of a, let's say, a personal opinion that possibly in the next few weeks, could be Q1, you know, in Q1, we get a top. And that would be on this chart highlighted in wave 1 in blue. The idea is that this wave 4 finished. We wanted to see a reaction in our trading area. That happened, okay? So again, market is following the roadmap perfectly. And also this trading area, yeah, it did lead to a successful reversal, didn't it? And we could now be in this fifth wave. As you can see, this 5-wave pattern and Elliott wave patterns that move into the trend direction typically move in 5 waves. We're always looking for the 5-wave pattern, a series of higher highs and higher lows. That's what the Bitcoin chart has actually fulfilled. Since the bear market lows, the Bitcoin chart followed perfectly our analysis to higher prices. And this is now the first time that we say, look, we could now be close to a top, really close to a top. We're not actually looking for any further upside. On the smaller time frame, yes, potentially. But overall, I think this might have been the last trading area before we put a long-term top in place. Or at least let's call it a more substantial top. Whether it's really long-term, we will have to see. But okay, if on the smaller time frame, there is another trading area that we can add, we will. But for now, let me tell you that any break below that red line here, 65,230, could indicate that we are heading down in this wave 2. Now, at the moment, this is not preferred that we do this already, but if we break below that level, we are likely going to head into this blue trading area for that subsequent strong pullback correction, possibly in the region around 30K, 40K, but it really depends on where we form that top. So where that top forms, that will determine the levels below us. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame, because here you can get some more insights. You can see that this orange 4th wave finished recently, and we are considering, you know, we are considering that we are moving higher still. We could be in this green wave 3 of that larger 5th wave in wave 1, but we cannot rule out that the next high, I mean, that at any point now we're forming a top. We're now in a very important Fibonacci, let's say, resistance area. There's obviously some psychological resistance around $100,000. Based on this primary wave count, I would say it is quite likely that we get above this level, but we cannot rule out that at any point now this wave 1 finishes. So we cannot form or confirm a top until the market breaks below certain support levels. If we break down, then you will read it first on our website. We will talk about it on this channel. For now, I'd like to see another 4-5 pattern higher, possibly into the low $100,000 region. But please note that when we really zoom out and look at the bigger picture from the 2022 low, most of that rally is done and we're really in the last element of that rally. But then don't worry. I mean, looking at that larger time frame, this wave 2 correction can be a significant opportunity before a larger degree 3rd wave could send us even higher. How long will that wave 2 take? Difficult to say, right? The wave 1, obviously a couple of years since 2022. The wave 2, it could also take some time, usually not that long. It depends on how the structure unfolds. When we see a little bit more data and when we see how that move down starts, we might be able to determine that a little bit better. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Also, let us know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover this week. And don't forget to register for free on the website. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.